Boy, are you guys in for a treat with this home. Check out this gorgeous kitchen behind me. I'm going to tour you through this home, but first I wanted to give you a little information. I'm Kathy Hansen, a local area realtor, and today we are going to tour this Denver home. Now this home is brand new, everything from the foundation up. And this one is a big one. It's 3,989 square feet total. With that, it's got 700 square feet finished in the basement of that 3,900. It's 6 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms. And on the main level, it could be a bedroom there, it could be an office there, and there's also a separate workout space. So this home is gorgeous. You're not gonna wanna miss it. And the location can't be beat. We are about a half a mile from the University of Denver, or DU as we call it. I don't know why we call it DU and it's University of Denver, but we do. We're about a half a mile from there, which also means that we're really close to shopping, to restaurants, to some bars. It's in a great location. So let's go on in and take a look around.
Entertainment.
you enjoyed the tour of this home. This developer did a spectacular job with this home. There is no detail left unchecked. It is a very well-built home. And again, located within a half a mile, about 0.6 of a mile from the University of Denver. So again, location can't be beat. You've got the nightlife, you've got the restaurants, you've got the bars, and you have the school very close. And it is centrally located in the Denver metro area as well. You can get to downtown Denver fairly quickly in about 15 to 20 minutes, depending on traffic. You can get out to the airport from here in about 45 minutes, I would say. You can hop on the highways and head up to our world-class skiing in the mountains, depending on traffic and the day that you go. You could be an hour and a half, 2 hours away from Vail and Breckenridge and Keystone and some of that world-class skiing up there. So the location here cannot be beat. I hope you enjoyed this tour of this lovely home. Now, if I can help you make Denver, Colorado your next home, or if you want more information about this home and this area, please don't hesitate to reach out. I do respond to all of my phone calls, text messages, and emails, and I love helping people just like you relocate to the Denver area. All of my contact information is below in the details section and the comments section. And if you liked this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you want to see more of my videos about what it's like to live in the Denver metro area, well, hit that subscribe button. I post a video every Tuesday about living in the Denver metro area, and every other Friday is a new home tour just like the one you saw today. So again, if I can help you in any way, please don't hesitate to reach out, and I will see you on the next video.